Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect ManyChat to ChatGPT. All right, so first off, log into your ManyChat account, and then once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Settings with the gear icon. Click on it. And then once done, as you can see here, we have these channels, but ChatGPT is not listed. And to actually connect to ChatGPT, you would go ahead over to Integrations right here under Extensions at the bottom left. So just click on it and then just find ChatGPT. Just go and scroll down. As you can see here, connect ChatGPT account to your ManyChat account. Now it says here it just needs an API secret. Okay, it says here you need to get the API secret from your ChatGPT account to set up integration. So how do we get the ChatGPT API secret? So go ahead and open up a new tab on your browser and just type down platform.openai.com/API-or-keys. All right, again, platform.openai.com/API-keys. So just hit on enter, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you got to log in. Okay, just click on login right here and log in with your ChatGPT account. And then once logged in, you'll be landed to the API key section. As fast as that. Now all you got to do in here is just basically click on create new secret key. Right here, give it a name. For example, MC or ManyChat. Okay. Project, just default permissions all or restricted or read only. It's up to you. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and click on create a secret key right here. And here I have it. I'm just going to go ahead and click on copy and do make sure that you save it. Okay. In a safe place because your secret key is view once only. Okay. You won't be able to view it again. Keep it secure as anyone with your API key can make requests on your behalf. Okay. Again, copy, done, go back, paste that in here, and just click on connect ChatGPT account. And do make sure that you already have the pro version of the ManyChat, because if you click on connect right here and you're just using the free version, you won't be able to do it. Okay. So just hit on connect. And after that, you should be good to go. And that is it. That's how easy it is to connect ManyChat to ChatGPT. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.